What's up guys, David Midlife Crisis. So I'm gonna make this video short and sweet because I already made this video once and I totally effed the whole thing up. So I'm trying to fix the injector on the Caprice. I bought a new injector. I pulled the fuel rail, replaced the injector, and nothing changed with the car. Did the exact same thing. Come to find out, last night I made a huge mistake and I put the injector on the wrong side. Got the firing order, the cylinder's wrong, and so now I'm having to do it all over again. So I'm not going to show any of that video because at the end I was getting pretty frustrated and pretty down on myself, and I don't know, it was a really bad day. I had a bad day at work yesterday. That got home super later than I wanted to. So today we're gonna make this short and sweet. I'm gonna try one more time to replace this injector in the right position this time. And let's see if it works. Here we go. All right, so I originally thought that this was cylinder 1 and that's 2, 3, that's, you know, that's because that's the way it is on my Infiniti. So on my Infiniti, that's cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, I just, you know, didn't do the research, and that's cylinder 1, that's cylinder 2, that's cylinder 3. That's the cylinder that was misfiring, not that cylinder. I replaced that injector, not that injector. So I'm gonna have to pull this injector out, replace it with the good injector I pulled out of here, and hopefully that'll fix it. So like I said, I'm not gonna do a full how-to. I'm gonna do the full repair and then show you what happens at the end. All right, so you see I got the fuel rail out. Those are the injectors with the red seals around it. I replaced that injector right there with a good injector. And then here's the bad injector right there. So like I said, this ain't gonna be a how-to, but yeah, I had to basically pull that whole fuel rail out, unplug all the injectors. Now to put it all back in. Also, safety first, I had to unplug the battery, make sure that, you know, the fuel pump doesn't surges while doing this. So I've already spent a bunch of fuel already right out of the rail, but it'll dry, it'll evaporate. All right, you see it's all back together, fuel rail's back in, all the plugs are plugged back in, fuel lines reconnected, batteries back in, plugged back in. So here we go, moment of truth, second attempt. Oh my god, it's so hot in here, Jesus, man. All right, here we go, moment of truth. Huh, that's weird. All right, it's running. It's running. No check engine light. Holy shit, I think it worked. I think it worked. Holy crap. Now we're gonna have to drive the car real quick, find out. Well, I think I got it, guys. I fucking think I got it. Holy shit. Man, it's humid. Dude, it's not misfiring. There's no more check engine light. I think I fucking finally fixed it. So last night when I started this thing and it was still misfiring, I was so completely just frustrated and over this car. Hell yeah, guys. I am so glad. This is what it's about. Check out my buddy Jimmy's G37. But yeah. So I'm gonna go up here to the lake real quick where I can do a full pull. Hell yeah, we good. I'm gonna take it back to the house and finish up this video. Fuck yeah, dog. Fuck yeah. Woo! Alright, so that's gonna do it for the video. I was successfully able to get this fixed myself without having to pay somebody or get somebody to help me. So I'm glad I did. Like I said, the first video I filmed doing this was so bad and I was so frustrated I didn't want to show you guys. So there, you'll never see it. It's never going to see the light of day. I'm glad I didn't give up. I'm glad I realized what happened, and I'm glad I got this thing fixed. So next video hopefully be the Windermere Cars and Coffee. If you know anything about me with the Windermere Cars and Coffee thing, I had a big I just didn't like the way they were doing things with the private needs, and you had to message them and send them a picture of your car. I thought it was kind of dumb. Well, in the next video, they are back, and that's what's happening tomorrow morning. I'm going to Windermere Cars and Coffee at Desertland. It's going to be mega epic. This thing's going to be crazy. I'm just giving you a warning now. So thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe. All right, here we go. Here's the two lakes. It's the best spot to do a pull. There's nobody's houses.